Welcome to Touch to Click, where today we are going to show you exactly how to unlock folder in Windows 10. If you have previously encrypted your data and need to gain access again, this guide will walk you through the process. So now let's get started. Step 1. You need to find the specific folder that is currently locked and right-click on it to open the context menu, where you will select the Properties option at the very bottom. This opens the main configuration window for that folder, which is where all your security and attribute settings are stored. Step 2. Make sure you are on the General tab and then click on the Advanced button located near the Attributes section at the bottom of the window. This is a critical step because it opens a secondary menu containing the advanced compression and encryption attributes that are not visible on the main screen. Step 3. Look for the section labeled Compress or Encrypt Attributes and uncheck the box that says Encrypt Contents to secure data. By unselecting this box, you are telling the Windows operating system to strip away the digital protection layer that was preventing other users or processes from reading the files. You must click the OK button on the Advanced Attributes window and then click the Apply button back on the main Properties window to initiate the change. These clicks ensure that your request to decrypt the folder is registered by the system and prepares Windows to modify the file permissions. Step 5. A prompt will appear asking if you want to apply the change to just the folder or to all subfolders and files. So you should choose the option for all subfolders to ensure everything inside is fully unlocked. This is important because it guarantees that every individual file within the folder becomes accessible and no longer requires special credentials to open. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.